Take a virtual tour of Chamberlain University's Stockbridge campus, nestled in a community rich with diversity and the birthplace of Martin Luther King Sr. Discover our innovative nursing programs within a city known for its history and proximity to Atlanta's dynamic culture. Explore local treasures like Panola Mountain State Park and enjoy nearby shopping, art galleries, and downtown Atlanta. Your future in healthcare begins in a place where history meets opportunity. Lobby. The starting point of your campus adventure, the lobby is where you'll meet student ambassadors eager to show you the Chamberlain experience. Marketplace. Savor the flavors of campus life in the student canteen market. Whether you're grabbing a bite to eat, enjoying an event, or just chilling with friends, it's a space that caters to nourishment. SIMCARE Center. Step into the future of healthcare at the SIMCARE Center. Here, you'll be at the forefront of medical innovation, mastering patient care through high-stakes simulations that mirror real-world challenges. From the miracle of childbirth to the adrenaline rush of emergency scenarios, gain the confidence to lead with compassion and skill. SIM Briefing Room. SIM Briefing Room, the epicenter of reflective learning. The SIM Briefing Room is where simulations come full circle. Engage in critical discussions and grow from feedback in a supportive, collaborative environment. Center for Academic Success, CAS. Elevate your study game at the CAS, where academic support meets personalized learning. Collaborate with peers or delve into solo study in our tranquil study spaces. With a fleet of tech at your fingertips and expert tutors just a question away, every study session is a step towards success. Science Wet Lab. Immerse yourself in the microscopic world in our Science Wet Lab. With state-of-the-art equipment and intimate learning stations, you'll explore the building blocks of life and unlock the secrets of the human body. Classroom. Engage in interactive learning in our classrooms, featuring flexible setups and modern AV equipment for an immersive educational environment. Nursing Workshop. Beyond the classroom, the Nursing Workshop is your canvas for skill mastery. Here, practice meets perfection in a safe space dedicated to nurturing future healthcare heroes. IT Department. Your on-campus tech ally, the IT department is ready to assist with any technical needs, ensuring that your focus remains on learning, not troubleshooting. Wellness Room. For new mothers, the Wellness Center offers a peaceful, private haven. It's a warm and welcoming space to nourish and bond with your baby, equipped for comfort and convenience. Quiet Study Room. Discover a sanctuary of solitude in the solo study room. It's the perfect place to immerse yourself in learning, away from the hustle and bustle of campus life.